And welcome back to my channel. I'm hoping your weekend is going a lot better than the markets and the economy is. In the past 3 days, we've had 2 bank failures, and the latest one is Signature Bank. Let's get into it. I really didn't see this one coming today. All day I've been making short videos. It seems like there's just one headline grabbing my interest after another. I just can't pull myself away from the computer. It's like 6 p.m. here, and I've been in front of this monitor all day long. And now this, regulators close crypto-focused Signature Bank, citing systemic risk. The U.S. regulators on Sunday, today, shut down New York-based Signature Bank, a big lender in the crypto industry, in a bid to prevent spreading a banking crisis. On a good note, the banking regulators said depositors at Signature Bank will have full access to their deposits, and a similar move to ensure depositors at the failed Silicon Valley Bank. It's really been a rough weekend for banks. I mean, Signature Bank was closed by regulators today, and it's the second massive bank failure in 3 days. We're talking big failures here, folks. I don't know what's going to come. If we're going to have a third bank failure on Monday, what other surprise is going to come out of the woodwork? I mean, I can't believe this. The only good news that I found, well, it's not really the only good news. Bitcoin did, however, rebound back to 21,500 with the news that the U.S. will try to help out the banks. So stock futures rally in Asia as U.S. acts on banks. Jim Cramer had something very, very interesting to say today. Well, actually, he said it on Friday, sorry. Jim Cramer is thinking that Silicon Valley Bank, its failure, may actually help sway the feds in stopping interest hikes. I mean, this is getting crazy. I mean, banks are failing. Come on, we need to put the brakes on those interest rate hikes. Or do we? What do you think? Do you think that's actually going to reverse inflation? Tomorrow's a new day. Unfortunately, it is Monday, but the Fed is going to speak about all of this mess tomorrow. So we're kind of all on pins and needles, hoping things will get worked out, or at least give the markets a reason not to crash. So we'll just have to wait and see. But in the meantime, please hit that like and subscribe to my channel. None of this financial advice, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Have yourself a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.